In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a cPanel domain to your Shopify store. Whether you're new to Shopify or just need a little extra guidance, don't worry. I'm here to help you through each step of the process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a custom domain professionally connected to your Shopify store, ready for customers to visit. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your cPanel account. If you're not familiar with cPanel, it's essentially the control panel provided by many web hosting companies to manage your website. Once you're logged in, look for the Domains menu. Within this menu, you will find an option called Zone Editor. This is the tool we'll use to adjust your domain's DNS records. The DNS records are like an address book for your website, directing traffic to the correct location on the internet. Once you've located the Zone Editor, you will see a list of your domains. Click on the Manage button next to the domain name you want to connect to your Shopify store. If you're using a subdomain, such as shopyourdomain.com, you'll need to modify records for that specific subdomain. Now, let's add a new record. At the top of the record list, you'll see an option to Add Record. Click on it. You will be prompted to choose a record type. Make sure you select the CNAME record type. The CNAME record allows the alias to point to another domain name, which in our case will be the target Shopify URL that Shopify instructs you to use during store setup. Enter the required values as specified by Shopify. These values are crucial for directing traffic from your domain to your Shopify store correctly. Once you've input the correct values, go ahead and click on Add Record to save your changes. Now, hang tight for about 30 minutes. It can take a little while for changes to DNS records to propagate throughout the internet. During this wait time, your DNS changes are being updated globally. After that, go back to your Shopify admin and click on Verify Connection. This step ensures that everything is set up correctly and that your custom domain is successfully connected to your Shopify store. This verification process might take a couple of tries, so if it doesn't work immediately, wait a bit longer and try again. And that's it. You've successfully connected your cPanel domain to your Shopify store. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.